How to watch VR videos on YouTube iPhone. So if you want to watch VR videos on your YouTube iPhone, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your YouTube application. After opening your YouTube, you need to go with your search and search for VR videos. You'll find VR videos or 360-degree videos. Tap on it to begin the playback. If you have a pair of 3D glasses, then don't hesitate to wear them for an extra immersive experience for perfect VR sessions. Consider adjusting your phone screen brightness to a level that feels comfortable for your eyes. Open your control center and adjust your brightness settings. A slightly dimmed screen is way better. Also, you should consider silencing your notifications for a short while, which allows you to fully immerse yourself in your VR adventure without any distractions. This is how you can watch your VR videos on your YouTube iPhone. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.